Hello and welcome to another video from erpdrill.com. In this video, we're going to talk about our best-selling server, the Consultant Server, which has been updated for 2014 to 2015, 2016. Uh, again, with the latest operating system, Windows 8.1 licensed version of the Professional Edition. MS SQL 2012, again, fully licensed version. The entire Business Suite 2013 is installed and all configurations have been done. Again, our servers are amazing because it's fully configured out of the box. You don't need to do anything. Just turn it on, put in your monitor and your mouse, and it works perfectly. And this year, we've used, again, we listened to you guys, and we've used quality components. As you can see, if you go to our website, you can see the consultant server, right? It's been updated again. We use only SSD drives now. We don't use the spinning drives, only solid state drives. So in this computer, in this server, it's a small package, very compact, so it's easy to carry around. Very nice, very beautiful server, very silent. And it has 4 gigs AMD CPU, which is very fast. You hardly use this. I'll go a quick look at the task manager. You can see it's using 59%, 40%. You'll hardly go over like 80, 90%. 16 gigs of DDR RAM, 1 terabyte of backup hard drive, premium power supply, very compact case. People are complaining that we use a lot of large cases and it's unwieldy. We've went to expensive compact cases. So USB 3, all the latest gizmos are there in that. Licensed version of Windows 8.1 Professional, DDR RAM, and the whole ECC components, the EHP7, we will go into that now in our video. So these are the components installed: CRM EHP3, EHP7 IDS version. EHP7 version of IDES is fully loaded, meaning it has so many components that you probably never heard of. The Java stack, which has BI, PI, BPC, AEX, process orchestration, everything's loaded into the Java component, and the SCM with live cache and SRM. So these are the components that's installed. If you go into a login screen, you can see the details of it. So let's take a quick look. Okay, I don't want to bore you guys. It won't be a long video. You can see everything is detailed for you. BI user is BI super. For BI client, it's BI user. All the authorizations and everything is loaded. Nothing you need to do. No configuration you need to do. Just plug in your monitor, plug in your keyboard. You have everything. License, everything is done for you. I'm going to go into our basis account. Again, it's very quick. You don't need to do anything since we're using SSD. Everything is very quick. Again, the license for every instance expires on 4th of April 2020. This is a long time. We'll have at least a couple of servers before 2020. So don't worry about the expiry date. The installation number is the same for every single instance. So if you create a developer key in CRM, that developer key for that user is valid on every instance. So that's a huge advantage with getting a server like this. So this is a platinum server for a platinum level consultant who needs EHP7 with CRM or EHP7 with SCM or SRM or BI and EHP7 is very common. PI and EHP7 are very common. So if you have a multi-instance consultant, platinum level consultant requirement, this is a server for you. So everything is configured. Patch levels are up to date. You can see the patch levels 5, 6, some of them are 7. BI content and BI content extended is installed. So it's a fully loaded server ready to go right out of the box. Everything works. Now I can show you some of the T codes for certain, but it works, guys. So I'm just gonna, if there's any problems, you can chat with us on Skype and we will fix your issue for you. Again, when you log into any client, it'll tell you what client to use and what user. So CRM user, again, I'm going to use DDIC just to show you the basis aspects of this. Okay, and I'm going to, again, it's instant. Everything happens fast because it's SSD. Same installation number, same expiry date. The kernel is up, the latest version of the kernel. So again, you can see the patch level. We use high level patches. Everything has been patched. CRM UI, the backend for CRM, everything, business warehouse, everything has been updated. Everything works fine. Everything is fully configured. So ECC is the biggest component here, the IDES version of ECC. So I'm going to use ID ADMIN password, and I'm going to go into the status here, and you can see this is a fully loaded version. And you can see all the components that's installed, CRM Web UI is already there in ECC for you. You know, there's SRM already included in this. These are all coming default by SAP. You know, some of the components that you never see, you probably never use. Um, you know, like AIM, I saw here, AIM here, which is a component of event management that's already loaded into ECC. So all the IS utilities, oil, healthcare, campus management, they're all loaded here. See, this IW skin scraping is for NetWeaver Gateway and SAP UI 5. So that is loaded already. Training, SAP Learning Solution, again, that's loaded. Mobile client, loaded. So every single component that you need, PLM, the complete PLM, SEM, complete, everything is loaded. See, GTS, this is part of GTS 10, GTS 10, 9.1 and 9. SRM server, like I was saying, is loaded. So CPD is a commercial project delivery, again, loaded, and it's configured in the backend. So everything that you need, or sometimes stuff that you probably won't use, is loaded in there. So there's nothing to worry about in mobile. You know, the integration with mobile is a big thing with SAP now. So the complete mobile platform, uh, along with CRM and ECC HP7 is included. Quality issue. These are all components that is loaded by default into ECC. Now, keys, I don't even know what this is, but it's there. So let's take a quick look at the ECC backend, just to see. Okay, I'm gonna go. Holy mother of God! Look at all this stuff here. So this is all CDN software. I don't know what that is, but everything fully loaded version of IDES in this. Again, you can convert this instance into any BAIO software, or you can into any industry solutions just by clicking on that BC sets or business function sets. So sorry, I'm just losing track. So SEM, again, same thing. SEM user. Okay, live cache 7.9, if I believe, the latest version. Okay, the complete CRM package, APO, EWM. Okay, SEM has its own UI now, so everything is included. Quality inspection engine, complete package, everything is there. NetWeaver Gateway and UI is components of this, so you can. We will give you this SAP personas, so you don't have to use the crap GUI here. Live cache. Okay, so I started live cache for you. Here, it wasn't turned on. Now I turned it on. You can see data log sessions. The whole thing is here. Okay, so so all the complete LCA, LCT, all three databases are working perfectly here. So I'm going to stop it, and you can turn it on when you need it. Okay, so now it's stopped. Again, fully working. Everything works fine. I just turn it on and off for you / Okay, and finally SRM. Again, SRM is mainly a Java application, so you have to go into the Java instance to see the shopping cart and everything. But for now, I'll just show you the components that installed. Very simple actually with SRM. A lot of stuff is in the back end here. CRM UI, CRM Plus, and SRM server. All components installed working perfectly. So everything is integrated with each other, ECC being the central component, and CRM, SEM, ECC, especially BI/PI with ECC has been extremely and properly configured. So you don't need to worry about anything. One thing I want to let you know, guys, is that the 480 gig hard drive shows about 14 gigs free. That's because we use about 80 gigabytes for this video for RAM. So I put, just to make it the page file, since we're using since we're using SSD, it's like RAM. See, 83 gigabytes I used for page file because I turned every single instance on. Now, if you're going to use only 2 instances, you can make this like 16 gigs page file, 16 GB page file. That's all you need. So 83 gigabytes I'm using for this for page file. So if you remove the 18 gigs, you have about 100 gigs free. It's a lot of space that's free, and you get 1 terabyte free. So this is the original installation disk that will be replaced with the 1 terabyte, which has the original backup. Again, the backup is done using Arconis. That Arconis is installed as well. Very simple. You just have to use say no, I don't want to save it. So this is the server, guys. Everything's installed. You'll be very happy if you're a platinum level consultant that needs multiple component integrations like ECC and CRM, ECC BI, ECC PI. This is the server for you. Very, very highly configured, and it works perfectly, and it's incredibly fast, especially if you're into access and stuff. You hate the lag. This is the server to get. Invested one time. It is guaranteed to work, and we provide 100% support on Skype. You have any problem, just add ERP drill to your Skype, erpdrill.com. Add erpdrill.com to your Skype account, and we will fix login by TeamViewer. TeamViewer is already installed. We will log in by TeamViewer and fix your issues for you. Again, this is our best-selling server. So everything is done, everything is fixed. So if you have any questions, get back to us, sales@sapdrill.com, and ask us. And if you want a demo, you can log in and do your own demo. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.